Good evening, everyone.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
How are you all?
Fine, sir. How are you?
Fine, sir. How are you?
Yes, I'm doing good. Okay, what is the update? What is the current affairs going on? What is the international
Between Ukraine and Russia.
Yeah,
My
WWDC
exams completed
starting.
sir, today.
Russia is
My exams
attacking
completed.
Ukraine.
one by one? So every class will be discussing something related to some general awareness for 2 minutes. Okay, what is WWD3 possibility? World War III.
Sir, high chances of World War III.
Mm-hmm.
So they will do
The
probably
chances of World
sanction.
War III.
Yes, chances are there, but speculations are going on as per the media, as per the media reports and everything. We are assuming like that, but maybe may not be. But
Unless other countries are involved and other countries like the USA, unless they're involved, I don't think it'll be a world war.
yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
sir. It won't be that much it won't be that huge.
Actually, war is absolutely
One by one,
nothing.
One
Yeah,
by
it's the largest invasion in Europe on a single state after World War II.
Yes, sir, but Russia is already threatening to throw nuclear bombs as well to
Yes.
anyone who defends Ukraine.
Yeah, exactly. It has a huge military, force actually. 8.5 lakhs military, jawans. 8.5 lakhs. Where
Sir, but why are they trying to do that, sir?
8.5 lakhs, military people from Russia, and just 2.5 from Ukraine. Just imagine how strong they are. That's how. And yeah,
Sir, no, sir, but why are they trying to do that, sir?
like it is a big
They
story.
are against Ukraine joining NATO. That's all.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I think Ukraine is already in the NATO power or something.
No, it's not. It's not.
No, it was not.
They are
It
not,
was not an independent country from in the year of 1991.
Like in 1992, it got independent from
Yeah,
Russia.
so yeah,
Yes.
Russia only approved that. So after that, they are completely against, Ukraine are somewhat completely against to this Russian people, and if they join over there, so and they'll be that will be completely goes for US, then it will be a threat for Russia, right? So that is the reason they are not digesting, and that is the only plan that why they are attacking on Ukraine. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, if they join with the US and the US come to then come to the force and ruling everything, so that there'll be a big threat for them, right? So that is the reason they are not mingling up that. They're not digesting that and just attacking back. So yeah, that is the main reason why they are attacking. But then have you heard about that? Uh, Ukraine's minister, publicly announced that to like he was asking help from Modi ji. So
Yes,
like
sir.
if Modi
So like
just talks to
Yes,
the
sir.
Russian
boats
people,
and
like they
all.
might listen. Why? Because Modi is
Sir,
a
I understand about that, but why dragging India into it, sir?
why? Because they
Sir,
are
that is why
because
it is a high chance of being a world war, sir. Because if India joins,
yeah.
then every other country supporting Ukraine and Russia will also join later on, and it will be a big war. So it will be like a world war.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes,
also
war,
India is
war,
like in
war.
a bad state because it's friend to both Russia and Ukraine.
Yes, sir. It exports arms from Russia as well.
Yeah. We have
49% of
yes.
arms.
We have our what do you call that jet aeroplanes we got from Russia, and the spare parts we don't have in India. So whatever the repairs we do, we do have to go there and just get repaired those, and we have good diplomatic relations with Russia actually. So whatever the spare parts we don't have in India, so we for repair and we have to just take help from Russia only. So we can't we can't be against it to Russia as well in that matter. So that is also there. And at the same time, Ukraine also asking help from us.
Sir, better to not be on both sides, sir.
Yeah, better to be neutral.
That's currently doing neutral. It's being
Yeah,
neutral.
currently it's a
Yes,
neutral.
sir.
So we can't we are completely we are exports and import. We are importing and exporting so many things from Russia. So yeah, that's how.
Sir, better is to do sanctions. Cut
Better.
off Russia's
Sir, better to
supplies.
study, sir. We can be like OT, రెండు మూడు rank మావే.
Rank మావే. You can do that.
Yes, sir.
Yes. It's not rank. It's not about rank, and it's all about how you are learning, how much you are learning, how much you are, growing up as a human. That is all about,
Yes,
not
sir,
all
I
about
understand.
ranks. Yeah. Okay. So it's okay. We'll discuss it again tomorrow. Yes, Kaji is laughing. Am I right, Kaji? Kaji is laughing.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So let's get started now. So we had it's a good discussion. So we'll discuss it tomorrow again. Let's see what happens. Let's follow the news. Okay. Chalo, let's begin the
Yes,
show.
sir.
So what shall we do better today?
So polynomials.
We were like, yeah, we were in the polynomials lesson, right? I think I have given a couple of questions. We solved very beautiful questions from polynomials lesson, and we'll continue with that. I think I gave questions. I think, for that, it's enough actually. Shall we go with the, and have you heard about quadratic equations? Do you know about that?
Yes, sir, I've heard.
I taught you, I think. Like,
But
It's
it's
like the
there.
polynomial with power 2, maximum power 2.
Yes, sir.
sorry, polynomials. I couldn't hear you. Kavi.
Polynomial in which the highest power of the variable is 2.
Yeah,
Or
yeah,
else the
yeah,
degree is 2.
yeah. Degree. Degree is 2. Yes.
Sir, quadratic equation is done in my school.
Great.
And we literally had a chapter on it, right?
You literally had a chapter on it
Like
Sir, in
chapter.
10th standard we have, sir.
in
10th
10th
standard.
standard.
It was
What?
linear equations, I guess.
It was
Yes,
linear.
sir, but we did get a brief intro about that.
Yeah. Actually,
Yes,
you
you
learned.
told a little about it.
Yeah. I told little about it, like, nature of the roots, like, when the discriminant. I was talking about discriminant as well. We spoke
Yes, sir.
discriminant. If discriminant less than 0, if discriminant greater than 0, what happens?
Yes, sir.
How the root? If I have a quadratic equation, what would be the nature of those particular roots? How would they be? If I give a
Yes,
quadratic
sir.
equation, yeah, that and all we discussed actually. So just a minute, then we'll go with. Do you want me to go with the polynomials or what chapter?
There are some different chapter.
Okay, no polynomials. Okay. Different topic is nothing but, like, let's.
So should we start something related to 10th?
So
We
you
will.
can go with
Can we
multiplication.
start
Yes,
trigonometry?
I'm very, eagerly waiting to start that. I'm ready
Sir,
to start the next minute. But the
can we
thing
do
is,
trigonometry?
we'll do better. We'll do. Once the thing is, like, I asked you to join through that WhatsApp group. Actually, I think I just forgot to ask ma'am. Probably today I'll ask ma'am to share that link again. How many of you joined after I said?
Sir, I did not get that link, sir, still. So
Okay, Aditya joined. No. You can ask someone of your friends. I think.
Sir, I had already joined. Sorry, sir.
Like, if anyone has that link, I think I might be having, but I need to check that. How many of you are having, like, do you have that link? If anyone of you are having that link, you can just, I think, one second. Okay, I think this, it should be there, must be there. No. Yeah, I have that.
sir, can you just post it in the chat, sir, right now? Like, so I'll just save it, sir. I can join it later.
No.
Yes, sir.
I'll share it. I'll share it in our openly. I'll share it group. I just shared
Okay,
it.
sir.
I shared it. Guys, you can just join through that group. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. I joined. Yeah, I think, oh my goodness, 30 members of here, 30 students have, 30 in the sense, like, 30 members are, 30 participants are there. Okay, fine. Chalo, next. Okay, I'll give the question. Let's extend that. I mean, polynomials and quadratic is like bit relate to each other. We'll solve a couple of questions on polynomials, like, not like, regular questions, somewhat, different questions. The questions whichever you didn't see so far. Let's see such type of questions. I think we have seen this question. Find the condition and the condition that zeros of polynomial p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c are I think we've done this reciprocal thing. I think we done last class. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So 1 second. Then let us not write this. Find the quadratic equation. I'm giving the next question. Find the quadratic polynomial whose, that's very interesting question. Let's see how many of you do this. Whose zeros are 3 plus root 2 and 3 minus root 2. Find the quadratic polynomial. You have to find out a quadratic polynomial. Let's see how many of you catch this. I think so far we didn't do this. Let's see how many of you think differently here and just find it out.
Sir, I need a time, sir, please.
Okay, you type the answer. Don't reveal the answer. I think who didn't join today? G Pranav. Harini, are you here? Harini is here.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Who is missing the class? I think, I don't know. Everyone is here. Only 14, I mean, only 12, 13 of you are joining every day. 15 should be there. I think 15, 17, 18. Sri Ramachandra, Sai Ramachandra had didn't join. Modita have not joined.
Modita.
Modita has not joined. These guys have not joined.
Sir, can I type the answer?
Yes.
Okay, sir. 1 minute.
Guys, okay, no problem. Okay. It's a very simple question.
Sir, 1
2
minute.
minutes, sir. 1 minute. I'm just typing.
Sir,
So
it
one
came
minute.
today our exam, sir. Today in our exam it came.
Same question. Same question.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
Oh, great.
I got it correct, sir.
Okay, very good. Sir.
Sir, is my answer correct, sir?
9
I
plus
have said.
no. The quadratic polynomial you need to find out. You send something differently. Harini, the question
Yeah,
is
yes.
quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial is nothing but there should be degree 2, right?
Yes, sir. Actually, I forgot. 1 minute.
Sir, send the answer.
Okay, let's check. No, Piyush, I think you made a calculation mistake somewhere. Check the class. I mean, check the question properly. I mean, check the solution. Somewhere calculation mistake. Correct only, but sign.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have to keep the negative. Yeah. 1 second.
Aditya is like Aditya is working so hard to type that. No, Aditya, need not to do that. Simple. Look at this here.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
No problem.
Sir, I've shared my answer. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Sir, just a minute.
I think have you signed? Let me check.
Sir, send it now.
I didn't get it. Yeah, Piyush, right answer. Kavya,
Me?
no Kavya. There is the terms which you wrote is correct, but Ananya, you are right, Ananya. Ananya, no. Ananya, check. Calculation mistake is there. Kavya, calculation mistake. Check.
Sir, my answer is right or correct?
Shreyan, I told you your answer is right.
Okay.
Let's check, guys. I'll tell you a simple trick here. For framing a quadratic polynomial, whenever you have zeros, this is 1 0, this is 1 0. Am I correct? Okay. Zeros is nothing but this is one root, this is another root. Okay. Kavya, still there is a mistake. Let me tell you. Find the quadratic polynomial. I'll write the answer. You check it out. Just match with. Check your answers. Find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros. Whenever you have such type of case, beta. तो आपको क्या करना है? देखो, first x square coefficient, x square, okay, minus sum of the roots are zeros into x plus constant.
Product of the roots.
Product of the roots.
So it's an identity, sir.
Yes.
X plus A to X plus B.
X square minus sum of the roots क्या हो जाएगा इधर?
6.
Product of the root is what? A square minus B square. So 9 minus 2. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Guys, I'm not writing everything here. I'm writing. Exactly. No, Piyush. There should be minus.
It should be minus, yeah. By mistake.
Okay,
typo.
fine. Cool. Right. X square minus this will get cancelled. So 6 into x plus 7. How simple it is. So if you find a condition here, sum of the roots will be that, and from this also check it out. Sum of the roots will be again 6 and product of the roots will be 7. Very simple. Okay. Hope it is clear. So what did you understand from this? Whenever I give two zeros or two roots, and if I ask you to frame a quadratic polynomial or quadratic equation, then if I ask you quadratic polynomial, this is fine. If I ask you quadratic equation, simply equal to 0. That's it. ठीक है? समझ रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
Very simple. Next question. Let's see. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Let's see how many have to do this. Roots. Zeros. I'll write the next question. Please do that. Don't type your answers. If you done with your answer, please have the answer with you. Don't type the answer. Those who have finished, please just tell me, sir, I have done with the answer.
Sir, I got the answer.
Fine. What about others?
Still doing. Done.
Yes. Look at this here. I'll solve the answer. I'll solve the question. Check your answer whether it's correct or not. Look at it here. For finding roots, what I do basically, I'll just split the middle term. Splitting the middle term. That is what we do generally. Splitting the middle term method, you know that, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this can be written as what, guys? Don't write this x square inside the root. Agar inside, if you write, so it becomes x. ध्यान से देखो, बेटा be careful here. देखो, these ये छोटे-छोटे चीज बहुत काम में आती है, ठीक है? This makes a big difference. So look at it. This is how much, beta? So 12, right? Yes,
Yes,
no?
sir.
So 12. How can I just split 8 in terms of 12? So 4
6 into 2.
6 twos, yeah. So perfect. So root 3
X.
X common. So x minus
2 root 3.
2 root 3. Perfect. Plus 2 common. So x minus 2 root 3. So x value
It should be minus actually.
huh?
So I guess it should be minus. So it should be minus.
Where?
Minus 2 into x.
Yeah, here minus. My bad. Minus only here. And root 3 x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 by root 3. Yes or no? Got it?
Yes, sir.
How many of you got this answer correctly? Got the same answer?
Sir, I got it.
Yes, the same answer.
Right.
So we can write the second one as 2 root 3 by 3 also, right? So
right. Perfectly. You can 2 root
Yes,
3 by
sir.
3. 3 can be written as again root 3 root 3. इसको cancel करो फिर से वही मिलेगा ना आपको.
yes, sir.
Yes.
You can write, no problem. No problem. Depends on the still 2 root 3 by 3 also correct. 2 by root 3 also correct. कोई problem नहीं है. Same.
Basically rationalization with me.
Yeah. ठीक. Next. If the zeros of the polynomial this are double in value to the zeros of this, find the value of p and q.
So done.
Done, sir.
One
Right.
second.
What about Pranav, Aditya?
Just still doing.
So is my answer correct?
Sir, done.
1 second, let me check. No, Piyush. Somewhere you made a mistake.
Oh, okay, sir. Let me check.
So please wait.
Yes. I think Hania is solving. Ananya, no, Ananya. Somewhere you made a mistake.
Okay, sir.
Check once.
I checked it, but I'm getting the same answer.
Checked it? Okay.
Is it a sign
Sir, I
error?
shared my answer.
Sorry?
So is it a sign error?
No, not sign error.
Value, okay.
Sir, I sent it now, sir.
Yeah, you are almost right, Ananya, but one value is correct, other value is like a sign change. There should be minus. Now Aditya, you are right, Aditya.
Yes, sir. I got it.
Aditya, right. Ananya, you are also right, but the value of 1 you wrote plus instead of writing plus, I mean minus, you wrote plus. So it should be minus, not plus 6. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let's check it out once. If the zeros of the polynomial this are double in value to the zeros of this, find the value of P and Q. So first let's do one thing. Let's factorize this. Let's find out the zeros of this. Okay. Equal to 0 तो क्या हो जाएगा 2x कॉमन तो x minus 3 plus 1 x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3, x is equal to minus 1 by 2. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
1 second. Okay. Then what he has given, zeros of this polynomial are double in the value. Okay, since the zeros what?
Okay, sir. Yeah, that and yeah.
Double.
understood.
So double is nothing but देखो double.
Multiplied by 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Multiplied.
So x is
6
equal
and
to
1.
2 times of 3. So this becomes 6. And x is equal to
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
ठीक है? Then nothing. What he is asking us
So
to do?
sum of products equal to
Alpha
minus
plus
b.
beta is equal to minus b by a.
The
Yes,
zeros
sir.
of the polynomial, the P and Q values. Simple. For finding P and Q values, I have only one possibility, only one option. Sum of the
Minus.
zeros. Alpha plus beta, if I say, how much? 6 minus 1.
Minus b.
Minus 5. So it will be minus 5.
Product of the zeros क्या हो जाएगा?
Minus 6.
So minus 6.
Now what we need here? Find the value of P and Q, right?
Yes, sir.
So basically, what is my quadratic equation? I mean quadratic polynomial. X square minus sum
A plus
5
B.
into
Yeah.
x minus 6, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now,
So once can you scroll up, sir? Once. Yes, sir.
if I compare with this one, x square plus bx plus q, compare करो इसे, comparing, so p value is minus 5, q value is minus 6. Isn't it an interesting question? Very good question actually.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Next. Next, it's a bit calculative, guys. Hope it is clear. Kaji, समझ में आ रहा है काजी? Nitya, are you here, Nitya?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to understand, beta?
Yes, sir.
Pranav, Shreyan,
Yes, sir.
Devasri,
Understood, sir.
Hania, Bhargav.
Yes, sir.
What about Bhargav? Bhargav, you are not listening.
Yes,
right
sir.
now.
Understood, sir. I forgot to mute.
What must be? Look at this, sir. This is a very good question.
Sir, you will give R of X and Q of X, you should find that G of X.
21. So that the resulting polynomial is exactly divisible by x square minus 4x plus 3. What must be subtracted from the polynomial? This one, so that resulting polynomial is exactly divisible by 5. Very simple. So that the resulting.
You're doing, sir. 1 minute.
So done, sir.
Hmm.
So can you please check my answer? I sent
1
to
minute.
chat.
Yeah. Kavya, what is this? No.
No, so that's the pivot question I've sent now.
Oh, sure. You are sending. You didn't send it. Okay. No.
So like, is my answer right?
No. No, it should be expression, not a value. It should be an expression. What must be subtracted from the polynomial, given polynomial, so that the resulting polynomial is exactly divisible by this? Quick. You can't take much time.
Sir, sent.
Yes, PS, you are right. What is this? Shreyan sent something. Shreyan, what did you do, Shreyan? No.
I did subtraction of this effect, f of x and divisible this.
No. You tell me what exactly we need to subtract so that the resulting polynomial would be exactly divisible by that.
Okay, exactly. Sorry, sir.
So I sent.
Aditya, you're right. Ananya. No, Ananya. Check. No.
Can I send the answer? Did you get it?
Aditya, you're right, Aditya.
Okay, sir.
Ananya, you have to check the answer.
sir?
Yes, yes, no, Ananya. Yes, now you are right.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's solve it.
Select, can you show how to do this?
Yes, look at it. What must be subtracted from the polynomial f of x is equal to this, so that the resulting polynomial is exactly divisible by this. So look at this here. So f of x is what? X to the power of 4 plus 2x cube minus 13x square minus 12x plus 21. So what must be subtracted? So the resulting polynomial is divisible by that. So let's see that. Let us divide by this.
So then the remainder will be this thing.
2x minus 3. If you skip
Yes, sir. 2x minus 3.
reminder, how many have you got? 2x minus 3.
Sir, me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, me, sir.
Kavya, you have to do like this only. This is what you know.
So like for this question, I factorized the polynomial 8 square minus 4x plus 3.
See here, this should be subtracted. This should be subtracted from the given polynomial, this one, so that whatever
Yes.
the resulting polynomial you get, that will be exactly divisible by this. Okay.
Yes, sir, got it. Yes, sir.
Whatever the remainder you get here, this will be, if you subtract from the, let's say this is my star equation. Let's say that is my star equation. If I subtract 2x minus 3 from the star, okay, I mean 2x minus 3 should be subtracted from the star equation, so that what would whatever you get, let's say that 2x minus 3, if I subtract from star, whatever the resulting polynomial you get, that would be exactly divisible by 4
Yes, sir.
square minus 4 by. Okay, hope it is clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Guys, will you be able to solve after that? It is a like calculation only.
Yes, sir.
I hope everyone
Yes,
knows
sir.
long division method.
Yes, sir.
Next question. Guys, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, then find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 1 by alpha and 1 by beta. Alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial. Find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are this one. Very simple. Let's see.
Is that 2 or 21 at the end?
That is 2, not 21.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I sent the answer.
So even I.
Sir. Sir, are you speaking something?
So you're
Yeah,
on.
I actually I'm in mute actually. I couldn't see. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
So is my answer correct? I wrote X in between by mistake. It should be Y.
Yes, sir, me too.
Sir, is my answer right? So I've shared you.
No. 1 second. I think I am not getting any right answers. Let's see. 1 second. Let me check. Let's see. Alpha plus beta. Sum of the roots is what beta is? Sum of the roots. 7/6.
Yes, sir.
Right. I'm writing directly, beta. What is sum of the roots here? Minus b by a. What is b here? Minus 7 by a. So 7/6. What is product of the roots? 2/6, which is nothing but 1/3. Correct? Yes,
Yes,
or no?
sir.
Yes, sir.
So what we need here, this is what I know. I got alpha beta value. Find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are this much. I mean, whose zeros are 1 by alpha and 1 by beta. So for our required polynomial, what is the what are the roots? 1 by alpha and 1 by beta, right? So sum of the required polynomial, sum of the roots of the required polynomial is what? 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. What is LCM? Alpha plus beta by alpha beta. If I take LCM and solve with this, so alpha plus beta, how much beta? 7/6. Alpha beta, how much beta? This is sum beta, in fact. This is sum. Okay. Then sum of the roots. Let me write neatly. Sum of the roots. Hope everyone of you are understanding clearly.
Sir, I found it like I factorized the given equation, found alpha beta, and then did the
7/2.
Even I did the same way like Piyush.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
But
let's
if I try, I got y is equal to 3 by 2 and
No,
half,
no,
2
no.
by 3 and half.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So product of the roots is what?
Sir, alpha, no, 1 by alpha into 1 by beta.
So 1 by 1/3. So 3. So this is sum. This is what? Product. So for quadratic polynomial, what I need? What is the basic? X square minus sum of the roots into x plus product.
Yes, sir.
Or no? So
Yes, sir.
6y square.
1/2 into
So I got the same method, but different answer, but different method. Same answer, but different method.
Yes.
It should be 6y square, right?
uh,
So it should be 6y square minus 7 by 2y, right? Plus 3, right?
which one? No, x square into sum is 7/2, product is 3. So taking LCM and solving it. So what we left with now?
Like, could you please scroll up to the question once? I guess there's some.
This is the answer.
I understand.
Yes, sir. I got the same answer, but different method, sir. I factorized the first polynomial and then found alpha and beta. And then solved the theorem.
Correct.
Okay, yeah, yes, yeah, got it, understood.
So you can do that. Factorized, we got alpha, beta, and those alpha and beta you used here, correct? Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Got the same answer? How many of you got this?
Yes, sir. I got the same answer, sir.
Perfect. I think 6y square something you wrote here. 6y square, no.
Yes, sir, that's what I did. By mistake, I wrote that.
I think, one second. Kavya, you got minus 7 by 2. I mean, plus 7 by 2 you got.
Yes, sir, that mistake I made.
Okay. Hope it is clear with everyone now. Like what I was saying is, alpha and beta are the roots of which polynomial? This polynomial. And we need to find out a polynomial which is having 1 by alpha and 1 by beta are the roots. We need to find out a polynomial whenever you have these roots. That polynomial is what? That is our question. Getting my point, people? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next question. Hope it is clear with everyone. Aditi, understood, Aditi? Aditi, are you here? She has left. What about Devashri?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Kazi?
Understood.
I'll give the question. Given that the question is given that x minus root 5 is a factor of the polynomial x cube minus 3 root 5 x square minus 5x given that x minus root 5 is a factor of the polynomial, this now find all the zeros of that. Very simple question. Guys, are you finishing the homework right every day, whichever I'm sending you in a group, WhatsApp group?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Yes, sir.
It is a matter of 10 to 15 minutes. That's it. Please solve it. What happened?
So still
Solving, sir.
Solving 1 minute, sir.
One
Just
second, sir.
factorizing it.
Yeah, it's a very simple question, guys. Hope it is a easy one. I mean, a bit taking time.
Sir, easy only, but I don't know how to split this middle term.
Sorry.
sir, is it going supposed to have a reminder? Because I'm getting a reminder.
Sir, it won't be any reminders. Sir. There
No,
won't
it
be.
is
Yes,
perfectly
it's
divisible.
completely divisible.
Yes, sir.
Completely divisible. There is no, I mean, there is a no reminder.
Yes, sir.
One factor is what? Okay. X minus root 5. Okay.
Sir, may I leave?
Sorry.
Sir, I've shared my answers. Can you check?
Yes. Yes, Ananya, you are right. No, Ananya, no. There is a symbol mistake. Sign, you must change the 3 root 5. Okay. 15 by root 5. 15 by root 5 can be written as how? Yes, you are right, Kavya. But no. One. No one actually. There is no one.
Okay, sir.
Check. Almost correct. I think you made a calculation mistake somewhere. Guys, let me tell you the answer here. So
Sir,
everyone.
1 minute, sir.
Okay, I'll write the answer here. Check whether the answer is same or not.
Okay, sir.
So minus root 5, and 3 root 5. So these are the roots, beta. So everyone check this. So let's make a move now. So I have next class. Okay, people. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hope it
Yes,
is
sir.
clear.
Yes.
Check the answers.
Bye,
Please,
sir.
you
Thank
might
you,
have
sir.
made a calculation mistake.
Yes, sir. I got the same answer. Yeah,
Right.
got it.
Good. Okay.
Sir, root 5
Yes. Tell me.
root 5 and minus 5 and one more.
Minus root 5, 3 root 5.
Yes, sir.
Minus root
Bye,
5.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, children. Have a nice day.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Have a
Thank you,
nice
sir.
day.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.